guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are unboxing the Fortune Cookie Soap bag for January 2019. Why is it so small? I feel betrayed, honestly, with this subscription. I am very upset because I know it became more affordable. I know they're trying to improve. I feel downgraded and demoted. What is this little bag exactly? Because I know I was born to sparkle, but what? I hope the products that are inside are worth it because I am not impressed so far. I was excited to get my damn blue box back, and now I got this shit. I am very disappointed, and I bought the year subscription, so it better improve. I'm gonna be pissed. It's nothing against Fortune Cookie Soap and their quality of their products. I have been subscribed to the Fortune Cookie Soap of the month for so long, and getting something like this is just very, I don't know, I don't want to say insulted because I'm not the only subscriber to it. I can't speak for everyone, but I am just not impressed because it's tiny little package, and I'm sure the stuff inside is just as tiny. I at first had issues receiving mine. Common theme in my neighborhood is that the mail person, not naming any names, but they like to deliver packages to whoever they feel like it, essentially. And yeah, I don't know where mine went to, so I got a replacement shipped. That's why it took so long, and then I was like, really, like, what is this? When I got it out of the mailbox. So I am not as excited like I usually am. I'm trying, but I don't know. I just, the last box, the Mary Poppins, was so effing good. And then I get this. So I did place an order with Fortune Cookie Soap earlier today as well. I bought some of their FCS and Chill launch, and those products looked amazing. Then they also restocked items from this. Buying this alone was like $45, and I'm like, the products in here are worth $45, so that's kind of like what I'm gauging at. I'm just gonna stop ranting and open it and just kind of go from there. Sweet, it all fits in my hand. You Were Born to Sparkle is January's theme. First product we got is the Fortune Cookie Soap Always Sparkle Enzyme Face Mask. This looks promising. I love masks, and it's a really pretty color. And it says, apply mask to clean face and neck, avoiding eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse well. Use 1 to 2 times a week. So we're not gonna do what I did with my spot treatment mask, which you could use it overnight, but it made my whole face red, so let's not do that. I'm excited to see what this will do. It doesn't really say, is this, you know, for hydration or pore minimizing or oil control, so I'm not entirely sure what we are targeting here. I'm a little concerned that it says glitter, because I feel like glitter would tear at your skin. I don't know, that's just something that I'm thinking of. I don't really use skincare with glitter in it, so let me know if you tried a mask with some glitter in it and how were the results. I feel like it would just, like, you know, emphasize your pores a little bit. I don't know, that's just what I'm thinking. The next product we have the Shine Bright Shimmer Lip Balm. I'm gonna try it now just because my lips are kind of disgusting. And this is what the applicator looks like. Oh, it's super smooth. That feels really good on the lips. Is it making it shine? Yeah, there's a little shine to it, which I don't really care about. Oh yeah, Shine Bright, duh. Come on, Amanda. But it feels super hydrating. The ingredients are coconut oil, beeswax, organic shea butter, organic cocoa butter, and vitamin E. I think these are really good ingredients, especially for a lip balm, because I need it. I hope this will help my very chapped lips. They hurt, they've been bleeding. TMI, I know, but that's the struggle I am going through right now. This product I have like the highest hopes for so far. This is going to be the one that I'm really gonna focus on because it's my area of concern right now. The next product is Dim the Lights Mini Headache Oil. Okay, so this is kind of cute. It says apply directly to pressure points and sore muscles to ease discomfort with the signature essential oil blend. I have not tried essential oils. I think Griffin will get more use out of this because he gets migraines on the reg. I don't know how to help him with that. I get them very, very rarely. Some headaches hit me out of nowhere. When I get a headache, I'm like, did I have caffeine? Is the weather changing? Am I traveling? Because I'm so sensitive to like when the weather changes. It's supposed to be like really warm this week in North Carolina, like 70 degrees. What the actual hell? It's February. We didn't get any snow in January. I'm still a little salty. Well, at least where I'm at, we didn't get any. So I am a little bitter about that. The same thing happened last year. It got like really warm and then snow out of nowhere. This might be good for traveling. I know I get headaches for like the first 2 days when I go to France for work, for instance, and I got a headache when I went to Boston the other day. So I'm just super, super sensitive to that stuff. And then the last product, oh yes. I love the walnut body scrubs. Okay, so this makes up for it. It's just a tiny jar. I think I ordered the full size earlier today. I got one of these in my Fortune Cookie soaps months ago, and it was like the unicorn one, and I tried to like save it as much as I could, and I used every last drop and I loved it. So I'm excited to see this again. It smells really good. It smells like shea butter. This little product makes up for it. I think I would have liked a full size one of these instead of the mask. But that's just me. I just need to get used to this new program. From the looks of it, we're just getting one full-size product and then 3 deluxe-size products. I would wish for them to go back to the other program that they had because you got more bang for your buck. Yes, you had to pay for shipping, but it was $28. I think it was like $5 shipping, and you got so many full-size products. I can link down like all the previous boxes below just to compare. I don't know, because you're paying $16 for this and it's free shipping. So you're cutting the cost in half, but you're only getting one full-size product. Let me know if you're subscribed to Fortune Cookie Soap. What do you think of this new program? Do you like it more? Do you like it less? How does it compare to the old one? I'm gonna be an advocate to bring the old one back. They're not gonna listen to just me. One could hope. We'll see. Maybe it will get better. I also saw that they're bringing back like the quarterly boxes again. I have to see how they are different from this one because I really enjoyed those quarterly ones too. But I guess, you know, for someone who's on a budget and just wants, you know, like a nice little variation of products, this could be something for them. But I know I got so much use out of the larger subscription box. Like I shared a lot of products with Griffin because there's just some products that I was like, I don't need this. Like I gave him like some of like the hair detangler and leave-in conditioner because I'm very picky about that stuff. Not saying Fortune Cookie Soaps was bad, it's just I am too attached to my It's a 10, my Briogeo. Like I've been using those religiously, and he's had a really good experience with the Fortune Cookie Soap ones. This concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy Fortune Cookie Soap, unboxings, soap, skincare, hair care, all the care. Leave me a comment below what your favorite product was, what your favorite products that they carry are. Please make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video.